Hi everyone! Today we're going to practice the letters B and D for handwriting because Mrs. Harrison and I have noticed that we are seeing a lot of reversals in our writing and a lot of capitals, stray capital B's and stray capital D's. So I wanted to show you a little trick that might help you when you go to write the letter B or D. If you think of a bed that you would sleep in and you write the word bed, B-E-D, you'll notice it kind of makes the shape of a bed. And if you're thinking of the sound B, B at the beginning of the word bed and D, D at the end, you can remember, and I think of using your hands when you're writing, that the B curves into the left and the D curves in going, well, actually to the right for the B, and curves into the left for the D, toward the inside, going that way. So if you struggle with your reversals, whether it's a B or D, you can think of a bed, and then if you were to write it, which way would it go? You want it to go inside the bed. You don't want it to go out this way, then it would say dead. We don't want dead, we want bed. So B-E-D, bed. Now we have different handwriting paper for this one, and this was in your bag if you're a remote learner. And we have a house instead of the skyline, and of course the worm line and grass line and so forth. But it's the same idea. You're going to start your B at the top, or the roof there, or you can think of it as the skyline. You're going to come down to the grass line, or the bottom of the house, retrace back up to the dotted line, make your belly, and end. Okay, so start at the top, come down, retrace, make your belly going toward the right because of the bed, and down. Again, B and around. Start at the top, come down, retrace, make your belly, and come around. So I want you to do the same thing here, using the house to guide you. You don't want to go into the attic or the basement. The attic's up here. The basement's down here. You'll start up here in the attic and come down. Retrace, make your belly. But you don't need to dig for worms or come down to the basement because it doesn't have that. Fill out the whole line, starting at the top, coming down, retrace, make your belly. Down, retrace, make your belly. When you're done with the B, then we're going to flip your paper over and do the same thing with the D. D starts up here in the attic or up at the skyline, however you want to think about it. Trace over the dark letter, come down, retrace, make your belly going toward the inside, or you could say toward the left. Okay, so you start here, come down, retrace. You don't need to pick up your pencil. Make your belly heading in toward the left. Come down, retrace, make that belly. So again, you do not need to pick up your pencil. When you see the house here, come up to the attic, come down, retrace up to the ceiling, and make a belly on the floor. You're going to do the same here. And then make your D's all the way across, just practicing what a lowercase d looks like. Okay, and hopefully that will help and we won't see as many stray capital B's and D's. You can take a picture of it if you like and send it to me. I'd love to see it. Have fun.